Hi! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyo pong lahat. Nandito naman po ako, si Molet Aranza. Uh, uh, I'm a registered nurse, I'm a mom, I'm a housewife, I'm a grandmother, and I'm here again as a commitment for our challenge program for our online business. And I'm here for a live interview, an exclusive live interview for our beloved coach, actually. She is actually a doctor of physical therapy and our business owner, online business owner, and our coach, and my sweetest person that I have ever met with in any business that I've ever worked with, and the person that always holding my hand ever since. And she's actually the person that enticed me to this business. And in fact, actually, when I started this business, before I started this business, I was hesitant, really, and I was not really was going to sign up for this. But every time I speak with her, she was so sweet. She was so kind, and I have not met anyone like her. And you will meet her, and you've seen her whenever with our live meetings and Zoom meetings. You've met her, and I'm honored to for her to have actually accepted this live interview with her. But of course, with no further ado, I have her on the line. Here she goes, Daphne Balani. Yay! Thank you, thank you. Oh, I don't know how to do it.
Hi, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, all over the world. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you, Tita Molette, for having me here. I'm so blessed and grateful. You know how I'm excited to have this interview with her. It's her first debut, and I'm so blessed that Alva was the one that she's chose to do it with.
Yes, yes,
Thank
it's an
you.
honor. Daphne, you don't know how much you have helped me with this, actually. And she is the person who's so patient enough. Sa kakulitan ko, oh my God! Napakakulit kong tao sa dami ng questions ko. Sabi nga ng anak kong babae na ano kanya ah, ah, na ano ba yun tawag doon na hindi ko na malaman pa.
We work well together, Tita. We work.
Napasensyahan daw niya ako sa kakulitan ko.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be here. Thank you for watching. Who's going to watch on a replay or on live, please comment below where you're tuning in, and we would like to acknowledge you. And Tita Malete and I are so excited to
Okay,
acknowledge you.
okay, let's start, okay? I have some question. Are you ready?
Ready?
Yay! Yay, yay, yay. I want to ask you first. I know you have answered these questions probably several times on your live videos, but I want uh, my friends to know you more. What is your background?
Okay, yes, it's a privilege to be here. So, my background, I'm Daphne Balani. I'm originally po from the Philippines. I was born, tita, in Davao City, and then we moved to Manila, and we stayed there and grew up there in Manila, and studied there. Um, I'm an eldest daughter of I have
Mm.
two other siblings, two lovely, mas beautiful sila sa akin. And then my parents are still in the Philippines. There's also elderly na rin. Um, What else? My background, I'm a physical therapist by profession. I am a wife, no children, but behind me, it's my puppy Pepito. Yes, he loves to be with me during my interview. Anyway, as a physical therapist, I've been a physical therapist for about 18 years. In fact, I just, in July, I just, what do you call my anniversary, my 18th year anniversary. And I'm a proud online business owner, online
Yeah,
business coach. Yes.
my that's my question. That's my other question. You've got a great job. You're a doctor of physical therapies, and what inspired you to start your online business?
Yes, I got a lot of questions with that. Yes, I know as a healthcare profession, right? We have a competitive job, we have a competitive salary, and I'm so so grateful to have that. But you know, Tita, if you think about it, 3 years ago, I think it's in 2020 when global crisis arise. Um, wherever you are in the healthcare field, everybody was in they
Yes,
don't know what's going on and what will happen to them if we will they have a work or not, right?
true.
Especially in the allied health, you nurses are the frontliners, right? More really
Mhm.
like bedside and things like that. And kudos to you all, hands up, even my legs up, and hands up to everybody who's really on bedside and who worked there during that time. But during that time, as a allied healthcare profession, we don't know what's going on, and we don't know. I
Mhm.
work in outpatient setting as a PT. Um, at that time, we don't know what's going on, so we have to close and see what's going to do next, right? So at that time, it was an eye opener for me that, oh my God, even though as a physical therapist, competitive salary and everything, which I love to do, you
Mhm.
don't know if you will have a job or not at that time. So I told myself it was an eye opener not to depend on one resource, one job only. You need to have a multiple income stream. So at that time,
Mhm.
Tita, one of my nurse friend like you, she's also a nurse, invited. I was curious what she's doing. So like any other else, like I registered on her website, and she invited me to see if this is for me because I was so curious. A mom of three who wanted to have another resource. She stayed at home with her kids and she's earning also. I said, and then she can do it at the comfort of her home. So I got curious because I really don't want at that time. I was kind of like, oh my God, I'm so, at that time, you don't know what's going on. So I really don't want to go out or do other stuff besides my job at back home and everything. So my criteria was I need a business or other resource that I can do at the comfort of my home, that I don't have to go to other people's houses, because all I know is just physical therapy. I don't have any other knowledge about anything, right? So
Mhm.
yes, so that was my criteria. I need to earn another income, but I need to do it at the comfort of my home after my work, and it should be flexible. So
Yeah.
that inspired me. And really, I need to have another resource because as a breadwinner, as a Filipino tita, di ba? We
Mhm.
help
Mhm.
our elderly and our family back home.
Yeah.
So, as an eldest daughter, I made a promise, and I made sure that I can support my family back home, especially my parents, right? My mom, and also my dad. And to do that, you need to make sure that you have, number one, a stable job that continues, and of course another resource. So I said, if the main job will not work, I need to have another resource, because how's the bills and everything, it's continuously piling up, and how can you support them if you don't have another resource, right? So that
Yes.
inspired me to start my online business.
Yes, and you have already bought them cars and house. Oh my God.
What do you call that? Last time, we gifted our mom her first brand new car. Yes, first brand new car.
Mm,
Yes, yes, and travel,
wow.
house, hopefully, God willing.
Yeah, and me too. On that 2020, that's when actually I started this online trading as a part-time, a side job or something like that. But anyway, for us as even nurses, we have also as Filipino, we have multiple streams of income. I've never had one full-time job. Actually, I have like one, two, or three jobs at one point before I retired. And even now that I retired, remember I kept on saying I have a part-time job. Even I retired for 6 months, and I had to come back just to cover losses, basically. So next question: what were some do you, I'm sure you have challenges for this business. What are some of your biggest challenges you have faced?
Yes, yes, definitely. At the beginning, of course, we have challenges. Number one, I don't have any business background, right? I only knew being a healthcare profession, like being a physical therapist. Yes. So that was my challenge. I don't have any business background. Tech savvy. I know basic computer, but not like the program and things like that. I don't know about that. And then what else? Of
So
course, I'm as a challenge. The, I because I work in a healthcare profession, like what other people, if I can do it, right? If I can do
mhm.
it, because I said I don't have any background. I doubt myself. Will I do it? But my desire to have an online business is greater than my fear, right? I pushed through it. I pushed through it with because even though you don't have a business background, because we have an amazing proven system, so that helped me along the way with a supportive community. As you can see, we have a very good community that supports you along the way, a mentor and a coach. So it was not hard for me at the very beginning to, as a person who doesn't have a business background, to be able to go through the training and start my business in just 4 weeks, because I know I'm a bit, what do you call that? I work full time, 40 hours a week as a physical therapist. So, but even though I didn't have any business background, the training and the mentorship and the coaching was enough for me to be able to get my business up and running. And then of course, because I have a supportive community, I didn't feel alone. You know, this is the only online business that you will not feel alone. You just need to reach out, and there's always somebody that's going to help you. All you need to do
I
is
second that
meet them half,
motion.
and you meet them halfway, right? You meet them halfway, right? Yes.
Yes, I feel that too. And I second that motion again. I'm telling you. Well, anyway, that's actually my second question to you. How did you overcome them? So you've answered. I guess that's your answer, right? Because of the support and everything, and basically everyone is hand holding your hand here. I know some others will tell you, why do they have to be spoon fed? They Others might say they shouldn't be spoon fed, but you know what? People like you and me needs to be spoon fed because they don't know anything. Because like-minded people like us, they don't know a thing like what we're doing. And business starters like us need us to do things like what we're doing,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, we need to guide them. We're here to
Yes,
assist them and guide them,
yes. Uh-huh.
to get them started in the right track right away.
And there's
What?
a lot of questions coming to me the same way. I don't know anything like that. And I said, don't worry. And I have a lot of questions. And I'm just starting, and I have a lot of questions like that. Okay. But my next question is, how has starting this business changed your daily life or your perspective on work?
Oh my God, this is the best part of the business, right? The best part. I would say the financial stuff is good because you're looking for an online business, but the gold mine really is the, what do you call that? I would say it became it made me a better version of myself. Before my online business, yes, I'm a hardworking person, I'm positive, but I'm a warrior. I'm a what do you call that?
What did
I'm
you
a
say?
warrior, and I'm a people
Oh, you
pleaser.
warrior. Yeah.
Yes, I worry a lot. Right? Because right, it's common for a person, an immigrant person who worry a lot, right? Too much you would say like what do you call it? You're like Atlas, you have to carry different
Mhm.
stuff, different hats, right? But when I started this business will teach you to become a better version of you. Uh and then you would, in my life, in my workplace, you would you would not react or respond the way you were before when things
Mhm.
arises in the
Definitely.
world. Especially, for example, right, when I started this business, your mindset grew, in even in school it was not taught to us how to improve or develop ourselves, right? As Jim Rohn would say, be good, or work on yourself, because you cannot give what you don't have, right? And then you cannot just share with an empty cup, you need to fill it. So I would say what changed this, my growth mindset, my personal development changed tremendously. It's like skyrocketed, in a way that the people around me notice how it changed me, on how I thought, on it made me more at peace. It made me more have a control in the
Mhm.
morning. I have a control, like, say, for example, my world is busy. My world as a clinician is busy. Our workplace is busy. And as a physical therapist, you thought a lot of stuff, you problem solve, you help patients how to get better, and you do that. So in my workplace, it connected, you know
Mhm.
and as in my online business, in the world of online business, the road to success is not a straight path. It's
Yes.
like a roller coaster. So having a strong mindset, knowing your why, believing in yourself, has a lot to do with a strong personal growth mindset, a strong mindset itself. And in this online business, that's the biggest bulk here, because it would help you not only in your business, but personally, in your relationship with yourself, with your family, with your workplace, with your business, your health, everything, because it all started in you. If you have a foundation in you, then you have something to share, you have something to you know influence other people to do more positive work than negative. And it would having a positive environment is a big thing in every productivity, in your patient care, in your relationship, in your business. So yes, starting this business has changed my my personally my it developed me personally, and became a better version of myself. It's still a continuing process, because
Yes.
we are not perfect, we are human. But to improve yourself one day at a time, over time, it's a compounding thing. And one step, one change at a time would make a big difference. Yes. So yes, yeah, I can say so much about it, but yes, that's the bulk of it.
Yes. Oh, and in fact, for me too, I could see the difference in me also. Anyway, I'm new. I'm barely like what, a month, right? A month, or yeah, barely, yeah, less than 2 months, basically. But I could see the difference that has an impact on my life too. And I'm always excited. You see me how my excitement on this business on this every day. She will say, slowly, slowly.
Her energy is high. If you can feel the energy. You can feel the energy.
Okay, now next question. Okay, what advice would you give to someone who's just starting out or thinking about starting? I guess this is our like parting question. So
Yes, yes, definitely. I could say, for those who's looking for something that to have an extra resource, if you want to have another resource besides your full-time job, or just a supplemental income. I started that way. I just I was looking for something to supplement my income, to just add on, right? But when I'm here, I saw a lot of people, lives have changed for the better. So instead of thinking this is my plan B, this is my plan A, right? So I would like for you to say, for those who's just looking or curious, just check it out. What if this opportunity will be the one that you're looking for? I encourage you to just start, connect with Tita Molette. She is like this energy that she could guide you. She's very knowledgeable. She only knew, super tech savvy. I would say I'm not a tech savvy. She is a tech savvy.
Oh.
So connect with her, or to whoever you feel like you attract with, like you connect with, right? Because I would just say, if you want start, when there would be no perfect time. It's normal to have doubts and you face challenges at the beginning, but don't let it stop you. The first steps are often hardest, but they're always the most important. So believe in yourself, on what you're doing. You stay
Yes.
patient, and don't be afraid to make a mistake, because that's the only way we will learn from experience. And
Yes.
if you're in, or whoever, just surround yourself with like-minded people, right? Don't go to the people that's negative or you pull you down. In our community, we have mentors like Tita Molette, coaches, a supportive community, and you will keep looking at your goals, because if you know what you want, you know where you want to be, right? Don't worry about the how, just want to be where you want to be. Just remember, consistency beats perfection every time. So what are you waiting for, right? Connect with
Yes.
Tita
And
Colette.
the best part is our team is, I would say, is the best team we've ever, well, there's several teams in our group, in the group, right? But our team, I would say, well, I haven't met other teams, but the our team, I would say, is the best. We're all so excited, and they're very knowledgeable, and you could always ask any one of them, and they're really the best. Each one of us, you could always ask anyone, and their answer you an honest answer. They're very transparent, and each one of us will answer you the best way as they can.
Yes.
Okay, so again, my website is www.mariamolettaranza.com, and Daphne is.
It's www.daphnebalani.com. Show her your website, Tita. You can remove this banner, and then you can show them your website.
How can I remove the
Oh,
banner?
just hide on the side on your banner.
Mm,
Yes. So yeah, connect with Tita Molette. Her website is molettaranza.com. Just register your name in your email, right? Register. There
there
you
you go.
go.
There you go. See, I don't know how to use this StreamYard.
Yeah, there's
You
always
just
a first,
taught me
right?
how to do.
Learning. She's so good. So yeah, register
Okay.
your name in
So
your
thank
email.
you for joining us. And thank you, Daphne, for this interview. Again, it's an honor. And thank you for watching. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. And salamat po ah, sa pagtangkilik sa amin, at parati ho kayong manonood, at pagsubaybay sa aming mga live videos, at mag-sign up po kayo sa aming mga webinars. Libre lang po, webinars. It's free. Just watch it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank
So
you. Thank
long.
you.